Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is brought to you by Wig Types. So thank you so much, Wig Types, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is the wig that I have. It is a part of the new GLEEmade part collection. This one is from Outre, and this is in the style JOHARI, and it's in color 3DRFF Amber Blonde. Now, of course, Wig Types was kind enough to give me a couple different samples of different things, so I'm excited to give those a try. Oh wow, she's very, very pretty. Look at that color. Perfect fall, winter brown. I love a beautiful chocolate honey brown. Love this color. It looks very, very pretty. Color looks. So the lace color is not super light. It's not dark either. I'm gonna definitely use a little bit of spray on it, but the hairline actually looks pretty. So this is the GLEEmade part Lacefront wig from Outre in JOHARI. Key features are wider hand-tied lace part, deep C-shaped side parting, extra hand-tied lace edges, humpless laid finish, okay? Pre-plucked hairline, natural baby hairs, and is heat friendly. So these are the claims. So it's saying that this is the regular hairline, parting space. It has like a hump in it, but then this way that this lays, it lays already flat as soon as it comes out the package. So you shouldn't have to use any hot tools to lay down the parting space. And I guess that's why they call this one the sleek lay. So it takes away that extra step of having to flat iron the parting space. So my hair is braided down. It's not really braided that great, to be honest. I may have to change how it's braided so we can really see if this is gonna lay flat, because I'm looking at these braids right now and I'm not sure if these are gonna allow the wig to lay as flat as it possibly should. Alright, so I'm going to spray the lace, I'm going to trim the lace, I'm going to lay the wig down using my Wig Dealer Wig Melt Spray, and I'm gonna come back and give you guys my thoughts on this unit. So these are the finished results. I absolutely love this unit, you guys. It's super, super long. I feel like this unit has got to be at least 26 or 28 inches. And you know it has some blonde in it, so it's going to tangle a little bit. Keep a wide tooth comb with you to keep it straightened out. To take away some of the ashiness around my hairline, I use my GLEEmade Shine Serum. You can find that on my website just to take away some of that ash and to make the hair a little more manageable around the hairline. I also combed it out using a wide tooth comb. Love the way these curls combed out. These curls are absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely a bombshell wig. I absolutely love the color on it. It is really giving fall, autumn vibes, winter blonde. I just love how deep and rich this blonde is. I would definitely recommend this wig. If you like long bombshell hair, this is it. And yeah, I absolutely love this wig. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And the clips at the end, I do have my hair with some baby hairs. I use my GLEEmade edge control to go ahead and lay my baby hairs down, and this is the final look, you guys. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.